What's up, everybody? It's Bill. I just want to make a quick video on how to make fire. We got a lot of moisture in the last day or so. It was 40 degrees when I left, but it's probably about 30 degrees right now where I'm at. We got a lot of snow, as you can tell. There's a lot of moisture everywhere. But pretty much what I use, other than kindling, is this stuff that you can find in trees called lynching, and I gather that up and I could put it in my pocket, and then I can use it with kindling to start it as a fuel source with my ferrocerium rod. And I'll demonstrate it here shortly, but I'm going to gather some from the trees like I have up here. You can see, and then we'll start the video here shortly. So as you can see, I kind of just made a haphazard little fire bundle with all the fuel and kindling. I'm going to use the ferrocerium rod with the steel, I don't know what you call that thing, to slide and create the sparks. You can find this at Bass Pro, REI, whatever, and it's not very expensive. I think it's like between 10 and 20 bucks. And you just do this. And we have fire, ladies and gentlemen. But as you can see, it's not a very hard thing to do. Pretty good skill to know, just in case you get yourself in a bind. But in reality, it's just a neat trick that you can teach your kids or yourself or your friend. Hopefully you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.